do every year here at Denny Wiggers, we build a beehive wood pile, which is the old way that the old-timers used to stack their wood. By building this beehive, it creates a draft upward, which dries the wood out quicker. And it's a great way to display your wood. It's something that a family could do. You could almost do it around your home. A pile like this takes about 4 to 5 cords of wood. And we start with the radius and stack the wood in a complete circle, tilting the wood backward in order to create this beehive. Great display, good family project.